Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to see a quick comparison between Amazon Prime Day Sale and Flipkart Big Saving Day Sale. So if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button so that you will get notified whenever we post a new video. So in today's topic, as I told you before, we have to go to compare a difference of offers is available in Flipkart and as well as Amazon. And first, in Flipkart we have a sale called Big Saving Day Sale, and it starts with 6th of August until 10th of August. And in Flipkart they are providing 10% of instant discount for credit card and debit card for Citibank, and ICICI Bank credit cards also having an offer for 10% of instant discount. Whereas if you go on Amazon, the Prime Day sale is actually specially dedicated for Prime users. So the sale starts today midnight, and so here are the few offers which is available in Amazon. So they're providing a 60% off offer available for electronic accessories, and in all the gadgets and all the products they're providing a 10% instant discount for people using HDFC debit card and credit card. And also they're providing a 12 months of no cost EMI, and of course with specific conditions and terms and conditions will be available. And and most importantly, the most awaiting mobile phone, which is OnePlus Nord, is here now, and which is available in Amazon in Prime Day sale, and it starts today night. So the price is 29,999 for 12 GB plus 256 GB of storage and 12 GB RAM, and the sale starts today midnight. And this is a most awaited mobile phone, which is planned to be launched in Prime sale. And also they are providing a 40% of offers for mobile phone accessories, and the same 12 months of no cost EMI and all those stuff is available. And majorly in this Prime sale we have so many mobile phones lined up with so much of offers available. And in that I felt this would be a great groundbreaking deal for OnePlus 70. So as you all aware of this thing, OnePlus is a very good brand in mobile phone, and the 70 is one of the top spec model and the most sold mobile phone in the market. And so that original price it was quoted before is 39,999, which is around 40,000 rupees, and now they are selling it for the price amount around 35,999, which means 36,000. So this is a great deal actually to pick it up. And OnePlus is releasing a phone, and Samsung is also now releasing a phone, meaning Samsung Galaxy M31 is also having an offer. So this phone is now available in the market for 17,499 rupees, which is 6 GB and 128 GB variant, and this is also a good great deal. And for one iPhone 11, they have not revealed the price yet, because we have to wait for that till the midnight, till the Prime sale starts. I think we can expect the price range around 65,000, if I'm not wrong, minimum. So that is for the iPhone. And when it comes to the budget phones like M21, they are charging, the price is starting from 14,000 rupees. The most beneficial feature which I felt in these offers is like they're providing a 6 months no cost EMI for almost all the phones which is available in the market, and that is a great future. And as you can see, for the K20 they are providing 12 months of no cost EMI. That is a great deal. Lots and lots of mobile phones are there. So most selling mobile phones is this M31. So I explained already the price range of M31 is 16,499 rupees, which is 16,500 rupees. So that's it for the mobile phone. And and also there is a big amount of offer available for Samsung Galaxy S10. Oh, this is a great deal. The price for Samsung Galaxy S10 was quoted for 71,000, and now they are selling it for 44,999 rupees, which is 45,000. And Samsung S10 is a good phone, which is a good phone which is available in the market. As you can see, this price is quoted here for 49,990 rupees. And Note Lite is 39,999 rupees. And Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is also one of the good selling mobile phones which is available in the market right now. The great spec and mobile phone camera and a punch hole camera is available in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and that is also a great deal. In headphone category, we have OnePlus for Bullet Z wireless is available here. And this headphone, I've been using this headphone for past 2-3 months now. So it's good in spec, and most importantly, the people who are taking calls and the day-to-day routine, so much of calls, I would strongly recommend this earphone. Neckband. So charge for me, the company claims of 20 hours of battery life, but for me it came around 18 hours of battery life on my normal day-to-day life usage. And it supports dual connectivity, meaning that there is a switch button here available in the headphone, where you can switch between one and two different devices at the same time in a fraction of a second. And switching is very nice, and this is a great product. People who are working from home and who will be using a mobile phone for mostly, calls are the priority task, and I would strongly recommend this OnePlus Z headphone, which is a neckband type wireless headset. So that is one. And also they are providing Amazon this fashion sale also. So that is they're providing 70% of discount for all the clothes on fashion side, and 60% of offers is available for daily essentials, and 60% of offer is available for TV and appliances. So there are so many launches available, meaning in this Prime Day sale. And people who are not having a Prime account, no need to worry about that. Actually, Amazon is providing a 30 days of trial period for end users. Of course, you have to avail this offer by using your credit card details. You have to give your credit card details for availing this offer, and it will be a 30 days trial duration. And you can use this opportunity for buying a product for this Prime Day sale, which is 6th of August and 7th of August now. So we have Sony Bravia TV, which is a good brand and top leading brand in the market now. So they have 55 inches of 4K Ultra HD TV, which was quoted before 1 lakh rupees, and now it's quoted around 63,990 rupees. I would say this is a strong and a great deal. So plenty of deals, I mean plenty of TV brands, like they are giving an offer. And as you can see, this TV is the same, like 43 inches of TV of Sony brand. Everyone loves Sony, obviously. So Sony is good in TV brand market as well. So this Bravia, the 43 inches TV also has an offer of 16%. It was previously quoted for 45,000, and now it's 37,000. Oh, sorry, 38,000. So that is also a great deal. Not only that, so many TV brands, they are providing an offer. As you can see, these are the brand Sony brand TVs which is having an offer. So the offer starts from 6% to minimum 6% to 28%. So even 33% also we have an offer for high-end TVs, which is quoted more than 1 lakh. That is also a great deal. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video.